Hey guys, and on today's video, we're gonna be updating your Mac, so let's get started. On the top left-hand side of your screen, you should see an Apple logo. Then, second option, System Settings. Go right in there. Once System Settings pops up, you're gonna see this. Second option, Software Update. If you don't see that software update right in here, don't worry about it. Just go into search on the top and type in Update. That's all. Click on the first option, Software Update. This should be popping up. If it doesn't, for any reason you're not getting this right now, don't worry about it. Go on and turn on and off automatic updates. That should fix things up. Also, if you want this to go faster, go on and use an Ethernet cable directly hooked up to your Mac. Anyways, you can click on more info if you like. So it's going to tell you exactly how big this is. It's less than 3 gigs. It's going to restart. Make sure to do a time machine backup off your Mac. That's just in case something goes wrong, you have a backup. But whichever backup you guys have, that's good. Just make sure you always have a backup of your Mac if you care about your files. However, that said, nothing's going to happen to your files as long as everything goes okay. So we're going to click on Update Now. It's going to download the update once we agree to this. Put in your passcode. Once you do that, again, it's going to download, then install. So at this point in time, just leave your Mac to be, and then come back afterwards. You should be good to go. So if you just let your Mac to be, it would have restarted by itself. You would have seen an Apple logo, a loading bar, and then just a really soft restart. This would have taken just a few minutes and you would be done. You guys can go and check that everything went okay just by going to System Settings and checking out that your all updates are done. So right now, software update, and then just go here. Should say that you're up to date. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.